How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install the Amazon Smart Mirror. Has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in FM transmitter, and Bluetooth capabilities. And I'll show you how easy it is to install, and I will show you how I routed the cables. So guys, here's the mirror. As you can see, it is it acts just like a mirror. You can see me in it. So again, here's the this is the built-in camera. These guys are the little hooks that hook on, and then you got these bands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook these guys on just like so. I'm going to do both of them so they're already on there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up and take it over the top. It kind of sits off to the side. I'm going to bring this one down and around. I'm going to pull the other one, go over the top, hook it on, just like so. And it's on there. Look at it. Here's the power adapter for it, and it just plugs right into your 12-volt power source. And you can see I've got the wire run up and it just ends at the end of my finger. It runs up and behind the glove box, up along beside the dash, up the A-pillar, and across the headliner here, and it plugs in here. Now for the camera, I've got it run on the driver's side. It goes up into the headliner again, goes along this way, goes through there, up and over the window, and it goes all the way down here back to the back of the car by the rear window, runs down, it runs inside. You can't see it but because it's so dark, it runs into the trunk. Alright, so here is the rear facing camera that I mounted it. The wire runs beside the tag down, and it runs actually under the lip of the trunk, and it runs into the trunk, down, and it follows the other wires, and it runs down, and the red wire comes around to the tail light, but the rest of the wire goes into the car, and in the way that I showed you that it was routed. The red wire is connected into the wiring harness of this tail light, and it taps into the reverse light. It gives a 12-volt signal to signal those lines to pop up on the rear camera. Alrighty, and let me turn the car on, and I will show you what it does when you put it in reverse. Brings up these lines. Now these are adjustable, so I'll take it out of reverse and they go away. So let's go home, and let's go to settings, and then let's go to reverse calibration, and boom, you can adjust these guys. You can do whichever you want. I'm going to set there. Turn it off. There's a power button here, so we can just hit that button and it turns off. It blanks the screen. If you push and hold it, it'll say shutting down, and it'll shut it down. Well guys, that's going to do it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.